Welcome back, guys. Thanks for joining me here today. We're going to do a deep dive into Amazon to see if it's still a smart investment today. Stay with me as we analyze growth, risks, and upcoming catalysts for the company. So, Amazon stock, booming business or overhyped giant? With its latest AI push, cloud dominance, and a secret weapon in the works, is now a good time to buy? Let's break it down. Amazon is not just a retail giant, it has now become a tech powerhouse. With its dominance in e-commerce, its massive AWS cloud business, and upcoming catalysts like AI and satellite internet, right now Amazon sits at around $2 trillion market cap, and it's been one of the most reliable growth stocks over the last decade. Let's take a deep dive into Amazon's financials for 2024. It was an incredible year for Amazon with 4 solid quarters reported. Amazon raked in a total revenue of $638 billion, up a solid 11% from 2023. That growth is driven by 3 key segments: North America retail, international retail, and AWS, their cloud computing business. Starting with North America, retail sales hit $388 billion with an operating margin of 6.4%, up from 4.2% operating margin in 2023, showing Amazon's efficiency in its home market. Internationally, retail brought in $143 billion, and here's where things get exciting. After struggling with a negative 2% operating margin in 2023, international retail flipped to a positive 2.7% in 2024. That turnaround is a huge sign of progress, especially in markets like India, an untapped gold mine for e-commerce. Then there's AWS, Amazon's absolute cash cow. It generated $107 billion in revenue with a whopping 36% operating margin, up from 27% operating margin in 2023. With AWS holding a 30% share of the global cloud infrastructure market, it's a powerhouse driving Amazon's profitability. If AWS can maintain a 20% year-over-year growth rate, we could see margins climb even higher, maintaining their dominance. Another key highlight from 2024, Amazon's cash and cash equivalents soared from $54 billion in 2023 to $73 billion in 2024. That's an impressive number, a 35% jump. Having this much cash on hand is crucial. It gives Amazon the flexibility to weather economic downturns, invest in new opportunities like India's e-commerce boom, or double down on innovations like AWS and future AI projects. Now let's talk valuation. Amazon has a PE of around 36 and a forward PE of around 30, slightly higher than the market average. But given Amazon's consistent growth and upcoming catalysts, I think the premium is justified. So let's dive into those catalysts. First, we have Project Kuiper, Amazon's satellite broadband service. This project is still in the early stages, but it has potential to revolutionize the broadband market. Amazon plans to launch thousands of small satellites to provide high-speed internet to underserved areas around the world. With an estimated $1 trillion global broadband market, Kuiper could be a massive driver over the next decade, but it's definitely a long-term play. Next, let's talk about AI developments. Amazon has been investing heavily in AI across its platforms, particularly with Alexa Plus, which uses advanced AI to improve user interactions and expand beyond just smart homes into healthcare and business services. With over 500 million total Alexa devices sold, this could be a major turnaround in Amazon's device business. Another big catalyst for Amazon is retail innovations. Amazon is making big strides in the physical retail space with no cashier stores and increasing its footprint within grocery with Amazon Fresh and Whole Foods. With these moves, Amazon is positioning itself to be even more dominant in the retail space. So we have major plays coming from both the retail side and the tech side. But as always, there are risks to consider. One key concern is the boycott movement. Some consumers are protesting the company due to various reasons. While this may impact market sentiment in the short term or lead to more boycotts in the future, Amazon has historically been resilient during challenging times. It's important to note, though, that negative sentiment can lead to stock price fluctuations, so pay attention to any dips that may occur as buying opportunities. I don't see any long-term problems coming from this. As for international expansion, India represents a huge long-term opportunity, but Amazon does face some challenges with navigating regulatory restrictions and plenty of local competition, so we'll see how that plays out. Amazon did project a slower growth rate for the first quarter of 2025, from 9% to 5% due to efficiency and AI advancements, so it could take a hit there. So after looking at Amazon's fundamentals and upcoming catalysts, I personally think Amazon is a strong buy right now. I think it's been a buy for the past decade, and it's going to continue to be a buy going into the future. I bought more shares just 2 weeks ago, and I plan on buying more as the dip goes down. It is currently my biggest position in my portfolio with a 20% weighting, but please always do your own research before investing. Overall, I think Amazon will have strong growth going forward, and people are going to look back in 10 years and be like, wow, why did I not buy Amazon at under $200? That's the game I'm playing here. Like I said, long-term investing. Where is this stock price going to be in 10 years from now? With all that said, please don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe. Tell me what you think down below in the comments. I would really appreciate it. And thank you guys for joining me today. Be on the lookout for new videos, and I'll see you next time.